Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make these super cute and easy Easter deviled eggs. So let's get into it. They were so easy to make and so delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to make them. So these are my eggs right here, and this is the food coloring in my 3 bowls. I just picked up a random food coloring packet from Kroger, and child, that was it. It's only 2 of us, so I'm not going to be making that many eggs, so I'm using only 8 eggs. But of course you can double, triple, quadruple. This recipe is totally fine. Now you know how I start my eggs is I always start it in cool water, put it on the stove just like this, turn the stove on, and once it starts to bubble just a little bit, I cut the stove off and I cover it. After 10 to 12 minutes, I put cool water on it to cool it down just a bit and peel them up. I do have a step-by-step how to boil eggs already on my channel. I'll make sure I link that below for anyone that really needs to know and see step-by-step how to boil perfect eggs and how to peel them. So now I'm just being gentle, slicing my eggs right down the middle. As you see, I wipe the knife off after each egg just to make sure it has a clean cut. You guys know we eat with our eyes first, and I made sure I wipe the knife off so it'll be cute. Next, I'm just going to easily prop out my egg yolks using a plastic spoon. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, I just feel like you need to use something very gentle or you'll break your egg white. And that's just me. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using inside of the actual egg mixture. And don't forget, everything will be in my description box. So to my egg yolks, I'm going to add some scallions. I'm going to add some sweet pickle relish. You can use dill pickle relish if you're on keto. I'm going to be using some banana peppers, which is a game changer. I suggest not leaving it out, but if you really don't like it, it's totally fine. I'm using some spicy Dijon mustard, which is my preference. You can use your preferred mustard. Some mayo. As you can see, I'm not adding a lot of liquid here. A lot of people, I feel like they add too much mayo, too much mustard, and it's very soupy. I don't like my egg to be soupy in a deviled egg situation. I don't like when it's soupy, so I try to not overdo it with the liquid. Alright, so finally I decided to use some hot sauce. I just feel like the hot sauce picks it up quite a bit, and I love it. It was delicious. As you can see, my egg is nice and bright yellow. I love pasture-raised eggs, you guys. They're so good. And, they're just bright and yellow. I love that the yolks are nice and bright and yellow. So this is what the mixture looks like, and the mixture is so good. The banana peppers, oh my goodness. I hope you guys make it and add the banana peppers, you guys, because it's really good. So now I have my 3 bowls. I'm going to put some water in now, y'all. I feel like I used too big of a bowl in this situation. I probably should have used some teacups, but it is what it is. When you guys make it, make sure you use teacups and you'll be good. Also, I just want to ask you guys to forgive me. Sometimes I might talk with a stronger lisp, and that's because I have braces, you guys, and I know it sounds crazy on the mic, and I'm very sorry about that, so thank you for understanding. So here I'm adding about 4 to 5 drops in each container of the color. I'm using the pink, the green, and blue. You can use any color you prefer. I feel like if I had used teacups, I would not need as much as I used in this application. But again, I'm making a video and I want you guys to see it anyway. So I'm still happy I used the big old bowls versus smaller cups that the egg whites can fit in, So now I'm just going to drop my egg whites right down into the color. I'm going to put about 4 in each one, and y'all, it was just so, first of all, it immediately, especially the blue one, as soon as it hit the color, the water, you could tell it was going to be vibrant colors to begin with. All right, so this is what it looks like, y'all. Look at this pink egg white shell. I'm so happy about the pink ones. Y'all know my favorite color is pink. If you're a loyal subscriber, you know I'm obsessed with the color pink. So the pink ones were super vibrant and pretty. The blue ones as well. And I just can't believe how easy and simple it came out. By the way, I know someone's wondering, girl, do these taste like food coloring? No, they do not. And I'm shocked that it wasn't, because I was worried about that as well. So here I am putting a Ziploc bag over a cuppy thing. I'm going to put the egg mixture down in here. You don't have to do this step. It's totally optional. I just don't like mess, and I don't have a piping bag, so I'm making a pho piping bag, and I'm just going to pipe it right down into the shells. Again, you do not have to do this step. It's 100% optional. I just chose to do it this way. You could just use a spoon, 2 spoons together, and put them down in there, and you're good to go. So I'm going to cut off the top like this and make a nice decent hole, not too small. It needs to be a good nice size hole, and then I'm just going to pipe it in there just like this. No fancy swirls, no anything. I just want to get it in there in one piece and clean. The word today is what? Clean. So I got them in there nice and clean. Now let's make her pretty and get the aesthetic going. So now, you know, they look dry. You know, they done had a long day. They look dry. So I'm brushing them with some melted butter just to give them some shine. This, again, is optional, but you know I'm extra. So I'm brushing it with some butter just to give it a little pop. Next, I'm going to add some crispy jalapenos right on top. I got these crispy jalapenos from the grocery store. You guys know I always throw them on my sandwiches when I make them on my channel. And they're in the produce section, like around the salad section. And, you know, they also have the crispy beets. So I'm putting a jalapeno in each one, and then I'm going to sprinkle on some chopped fresh parsley. And that is it. And look how cute, glistening, and pretty these are. You bring this to any party, child, you're good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I love y'all so much, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.